Hi, welcome back to Family and Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. Let me know if we should take that integrate it in your busy lifestyle out. Anyways, this is my 4-week summer shredding video. Yay guys, I made it 4 weeks into my summer shredding. I am feeling great. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. My 3-week video, I was weighing in at 130. I am weighing in at 128 now as of like 3 minutes ago. So I don't know if that's really accurate or not. Sometimes my weight fluctuates. It goes up and it goes down. But please guys, don't get discouraged. If the weight goes up or it goes down, then maybe you have too much water weight, maybe you drank too much or did eat a little bit too much out of your calories, and you just need to slow down and focus on eating the right amount of calories or not too many. Speaking of that, I have been eating like 1,300 calories, which is my maintained calorie diet that I'm supposed to stick to for losing 2 pounds a week. I sometimes don't eat enough calories, and I think that's why my weight fluctuates up and down, and I do have a lot of water weight. When I did weigh myself, we have a scale that tells the body mass, the water weight, and my water weight was like 54%. My body fat percentage, it was like 14%, which when I first started summer shredding, it was at like 25% body fat. So I have lost some body fat, and I'm like actually surprised and happy with that, because I've been working super hard on this summer shredding. I really want to get fit, shredded way down, as shredded as I'm gonna get. I've never been that shredded before. It is a really big challenge, but I'm willing to do it, and I've been sticking to my goal for a while now. With that being said, I do have some like flubbery stuff, and I've had this like forever. I could be 114 pounds, still have this. I'm gonna shred that down. Like, this little pooch is not gonna be here anymore after I get done summer shredding. That's my main focus, on getting that down, and especially all my other weight, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like me not flexing. So this is my stomach. Now I turn. That's me not flexing. That's what I look like, just normal. Now I'm going to flex. I'm not sure, but you know, I'm trying. And then me flexing. Is this my summer shredding video? I have been intermittent fasting, and I do intermittent fast. I'm not sure what time I stop eating at night, because sometimes I do have a late snack. I do save my calories for the end of the day, so I have a lot more to eat during the night. I'm not sure if that's like a good thing or a bad thing, but that's how I do it. I intermittent fast. I don't eat my first meal until 11 a.m. or a little bit after 11 a.m. I drink a protein shake. That'd be like my first meal. 3 o'clock, I'll maybe eat like a sandwich or something, and then I'll save the rest of the calories for the night. So that's what I do. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more content. I'll catch you later.